Why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? Have you ever tried to keep your eyes open while sneezing? When irritants or strong smells stimulate the nasal membranes, histamine is released. Histamine sends a signal to the brain indicating something has entered, and in response, the brain activates a reflex to expel it. This reflex is sneezing. At that moment, to prevent any particles coming out of your mouth or nose from getting into your eyes, the brain automatically forces your eyes shut. In other words, it's a natural command from your brain to protect your body. That's why no matter how hard you try, you can't keep your eyes open when you sneeze. Isn't our body's automatic defense system amazing?